What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for the latest information for iOS 18.3 betas and what to expect in iOS 18.4, you're in the right place. We've been running Apple betas for a long time now, and we have some takeaways for what you can expect for when iOS 18.3 is going to be released, and then how soon we can actually anticipate getting iOS 18.4 Beta 1. And I have a feeling iOS 18.4 is going to be substantially more exciting than what we got in 18.3. So if you follow the channel or if you've seen any of the other videos in regards to what iOS 18.3 and that beta run has offered, it has been very slim pickings. We have some performance improvements and other background changes, a few little UI tweaks, but as far as new features go, and especially surrounding Apple Intelligence features, it's been lacking. We know that there was a small modem update here. We know that they included vacuum support for the Home app and small little toggles here and there, but iOS 18.4 is coming right around the corner, probably within the next 30 days or so, and we have some high hopes for it. There's a lot of outstanding promises Apple gave us in regards to what should be coming in future releases for Apple Intelligence, so let's jump into all of that now. Basically, as you know, the performance improvements and optimizations in 18.3 were very minimized, like I just said, and it's just meant to more enhance the system stability. But since obviously we're looking forward to 18.4, let's just jump right into it. While 18.4 is still under wraps based on early beta testing and developer insight, we already have some clues about what to expect. So obviously there is always going to be that focus on more performance and stability improvements, bug fixes and security updates, but also new changes to Siri as well. Siri should be getting more smarter and can be more screen aware and integrate better in apps. We should have more priority notifications, not just the notification summaries that we have now that even in beta 3, they kind of gave you a bigger warning saying this is in beta and minimized what apps can actually take advantage of that. That should all return, plus those priority notifications, which I am definitely looking more forward to. Aside from that, voice commands could have a couple changes. There could be updates to Safari and WebKit, and there might be some new features for iMessage and FaceTime. We have to see. There's nothing concrete in regards to that yet. But aside from all that, there's a lot of promise behind this update. While we're expecting some of these updates that we're talking about, though, a fully contextual Siri, kind of like what you have with Google Gemini now, is still not expected until probably next year or iOS 19. We might get a preview at WWDC, but don't hold your breath right on that necessarily. It's going to be very interesting to see truly what Apple does end up rolling out. I'm very excited for the personal context and how it should be able to integrate with that once Siri gets smarter for on-screen awareness and that deeper app connection that we were talking about. But until that happens, who knows how this is going to be integrated, right? Still have high hopes, still think it's going to be a great update. We do have an update as far as release date goes. iOS 18.4 unfortunately might not be released until April according to Apple's own documentation. So that gives us probably a good 2 or 3 months of beta testing, just how soon Apple will deploy this. And now talking about beta testing, let's actually look at the calendar. As crazy as it is already January 18th, and we did just receive beta 3 for iOS 18.3 on the 16th, but we still could receive the next beta on Monday the 20th or Tuesday the 21st if they get back into their regular release routine. If they do, I would anticipate this possibly being an RC build, or at the very latest, the 27th will have the final beta for iOS 18.3. And as soon as that beta gets released, I'm going to assume later on in the week of the 27th, or again at latest, the first week in February, the public release will be out and iOS 18.4 Beta 1 will be released. So if we do get it in February, that gives us all of February and all of March for beta testing for such a large update. As we've seen, Apple Intelligence features have not taken off like Apple's wanted. They're going to need to do something here and really push the envelope, especially as their sales slump in China because of the lack of AI. So beyond all this as well, if we have a full beta cycle of 2 months or so, Apple will have the full month of April to release this, and I would anticipate around the 14th this should be finalized and released. Again, Apple can do Apple things as always. We don't know for certain if that's what's going to come out, but that's kind of what we're thinking currently. Let us know in the comments down below, what is the most exciting feature you're hoping to get in iOS 18.4? Comment down below, let us know, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.